So now we're going to jump into chapter 9 and talk about a point estimate. So a point estimate is a single value also known as a statistic used to estimate Gesundheit, a population Gesundheit parameter. So much sneezing this week. Me too. I'm with you. To a population value, which we call a parameter. So this is a statistic computed from sample information that estimates a population parameter. An example of this would be if the Tourism Bureau of Barbados wanted to estimate the mean amount spent by tourists, they would randomly select 500 tourists and ask them about their spending there. The mean amount of the sample of 500 tourists would serve as an estimate for the unknown population parameter, right? Because it's not feasible to contact all of the tourists that are visiting Barbados. So they have to rely on sample information and these point estimates. But these point estimates are not 100% reflective of the population value or the parameters. And so that's why we have these things called confidence intervals. A confidence interval is a range of values within which the population parameter is expected to occur. So it's important, we're talking about is expected. We're not saying it's within the population parameter. It's not saying the range of values within which the population parameter is, right? It's saying the range of values within which the population parameter is expected to be. And so we're going to calculate these confidence intervals, and they're going to give us essentially a minimum and a maximum given different levels of confidence. So there's going to be three factors that determine the width of a confidence interval. The first one is the number of observations in the sample, n. The second one is the variability of the population. Which is usually estimated by the sample standard deviation, which is just S instead of sigma. And then thirdly is the desired level of confidence. Now, most of the time, the desired level of confidence, the kind of standard, is 95%. But there's other ones, right? There's 90% confidence, there's 99% confidence, so on and so forth. Okay, we will pick up with this on Monday with the confidence interval formula.